Hey guys, Dave from Dave's Glory Shopworks here, and in this video we've got some updates and whatnot. I know we still have Danny's truck in the garage. Don't worry, we are very close to being done. And on that tone, we are literally down to tweaking the kickdown bracket, kickdown linkage. I already lengthened it, and it's sitting in place. I just have to do a little bendy twist and adjust it. We have the differential replaced. You can see our differential here on the floor. That's the old one. The new one is in, and we did paint it, as you can see. We just didn't paint the rest of it, like the brakes and all that jazz. But repacked wheel bearings, got everything sorted out on the locking hubs. Steering's back together. We've got U-bolts in and torqued. Everything's good that way. New brake lines. When I pulled the differential out, the one brake line snapped. And then I actually noticed as well, I wonder if I can find it here, the brake flex hose that came on the truck, it was ready to blow off. I'd say one good panic brake and she was done. But I don't see it anywheres on my floor, which is where most of this stuff ends up. So if I stumble across it while I'm making this video, I'll show you guys. But we've got to put bumpers on, finish the kick down, put on the fuel pressure regulator and plumb it to the carburetor. And that's about it. Danny's been hard at work. He got the interior, pulled the gauges all apart. And everything's back together now. Oil pressure gauge, temperature gauge, and voltmeter all hooked up. 4x4 shifter back in place. We are down to the woodwork. Like I said, kick down. We've got fuel pressure regulator. We have got a little bit of door weather stripping to clean up. And I think I got 2 wires for the fuel pump to actually hook up, and then front and rear bumpers. After that, it goes outside. It's going to spend a nice hot day outside. I'm going to put the windshield lock strip in place. Here's the lock strip here. Bazinga. And that's got to go in here to fully lock the windshield in. After that, he's going to wire wheel the truck box on the inside and put the roll-on box liner in place. I think he has some easy liner, if I remember correctly. And that's going to take care of Danny's truck. Now, something else I was working on this weekend, which was fruitful, but a fail. Let's see, where do we go from here? So, my little lawn tractor, it developed a leak on the tire. Sat all winter long, fully air in the tires, no problem. And of course, I mowed it we've mowed a couple times, and as you can see, we've got an expansive lawn to mow, so it's good to have tires on the lawn tractor. And those were new last year, and one of them just decided to start leaking. So I'll take that to work with me and get it fixed up. But we decided to build an outdoor cat area. We have some cats that are going to be moving into our barn this winter, but for now they're not fixed yet, and we don't want them just running amok. So I built this, which very happy, worked out. Used some old wood and some new wood and some chicken wire, except one small issue. I had a spot down here on the ground that they could have squeezed their heads through. So we had 2 of the cats inside, and I got at it with the air stapler. They went ballistic, and one of them made her own hole right there. That is the perfect size for our orange and white cat to squeeze her chubby butt through. And like that, she's gone somewheres. So fruitful, you know, it worked out good. Very happy. But need a little bit better product. And honestly, I use that chicken wire. We had it here and like repurposed everything that we have. And now I actually got to go to town, spend some money, and get the proper galvanized fencing wire. Yay! But that is what it is. Not a big deal. Move on in life. The cattle come back when she's hungry again. And life goes on. We've got Jeremy's car. I was talking with Jeremy yesterday. He popped out to pick up his father-in-law's truck. I did some diesel diagnosis on the truck, and everything went good. Got it fixed up, did a tranny service. So we chatted about his car. We've got a plan for the rear diff kind of coming together. And then that thing will be good to go once he gets some good tires for it. The old 14s are aged out badly and very dry rotted. Other than that, look at that thing. God, I just got to get me some of that truck going. Like really, I mean, and true to word, it could actually be a 77. For me, it's a gray area, 77, 78. They both ran similar grills and similar signal light assemblies. It seemed to be an option whether you got the amber signal lights or the clear signal lights. I can't tell you which. But a good friend of mine, K2, tells me that it's a 77. And I've seen 77s and 78s with the clear lenses. What do you guys think? Am I just seeing something that somebody threw onto a truck to make it, you know, good again? Or am I right? Do they come on both years? I don't know. But I really want to sink my teeth into this truck really badly. It's kind of aching at me here to get it going. I've got it on good authority that it will that it'll start up and run with a little bit of diagnosis, whether we're talking fuel pump crapped out or ignition module crapped out or distributor or something like that. It could even just be the ballast resistor, man. We don't know. But I'm going to be very happy to find out. And having said all that, that's where we're sitting. We're this week we'll have Danny's truck dealt with. I think on Saturday or Sunday of next week, he's going to come out and we'll bolt the bumpers on. They're a little bit heavy to manhandle with fresh paint on your own, and I don't feel like doing it. So that'll be the last thing. Everything else will be done. It'll be running, driving, moving under its own power, brakes working, all the deal. Oh yeah, we got to bleed the brakes too. And that's where it's going to sit. Like, so close I can taste it, man. And that's where she's at, guys. We're rocking and rolling. Lots on the go this weekend. Lots more to come. And I hope you guys all stay tuned. I really appreciate every single one of you. And thank you all so very much. Have a good night.